KMCers. It's currently Monday and I'm off work today because my doctor that I work for is gone. So, I have today off, so it's Monday. I work tomorrow. I work Wednesday at the dentist office, and then I work Thursday at the irrigation place. So, it's gonna be a messy week. And then Thursday night we're leaving for the farm, and I'm gonna be there until Wednesday. I will come home Sunday to go to work on Monday, go back to the farm, be there Tuesday, and then Wednesday we'll come home later in the evening. So it's gonna be a heck of a week. It's different. Currently baking cookies, which they look kind of gross, but they still have a long time to cook. So I'm gonna cut this watermelon up that we got yesterday. I'm gonna cut it up, see if it's good. I've been trying to figure out how to figure out if you have like a sweet or good watermelon like at the store. And what I read is that it has to have like all these little patches and like all these scrapes and stuff kind of over, you know, towards the bottom. And that usually means that they're pretty done. So I guess we'll see when I cut it. Got my sprinkler going right there to water the new grass that we planted. And then I also have one kind of yonder, way over here somewhere. Preston's gonna be home soon for lunch because it's 11:53, so he'll be home soon for lunch. I'm gonna get lunch ready for him. And yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Probably gonna go tan a little bit too because day off and it's beautiful out. It's like only like 80 something, so nice for summer. Why do I sneeze every time I start a video? Literally. Tanning, sprinklers on way over there, but you can't see it. I don't even think you can see the water. It's behind the bush, but I've watered from here on, and like it's crazy because you can like tell exactly where the water went. It's crazy. See, water your lawns. Makes a difference. I don't water any of this because the dog walks in it, so then it gets muddy. But yeah, we just out here tanning for the first time today.
Alrighty guys, so hey guys, this is KMCers. I'm Kirsten, welcome back to our vlog. So this week has been a whirlwind, so I will give you a little what's going on right now. Today is Tuesday, and we have an appointment with the AC guy to come look at our AC unit to see what is going on with it. So the AC guy is here to fix our AC. And he has found that the blow motor, or the blowing motor, or whatever it's called, which I think is like the thing that runs to blow out the air, I think. It is broken. It doesn't work. So he has called around and looked at the models he has on the truck with him, and found that there is only one place in town that has one. So he is going to pick it up right now. So he left to go get the part to come back and fix our AC. So hopefully we will have AC in the next few hours. So okay guys, so I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of an update. So the last thing I think you guys saw was that we were taking the water heater back for the first time to get a replacement. We tried hooking it up and it didn't work. So we took it back to the store and got a full refund. Not a full refund. We got most of our refund. They didn't want to give us back our warranty that we paid for it. So we have a warranty on something that we don't own, so that's annoying. But we went to a different store to get a new hot water heater, and we are picking that up tonight. But he got the inside unit to work, and then came out to the outside to check on the outside one, and it wasn't pulling enough voltage from our house to kick on. So he checked our electrical as much as he could and found that our whole house is not pulling it as much electrical as it should be. All of the appliances in my house are not running to full potential, all of it. So now we have to call an electrician, or even our city utilities isn't even pulling the right amount of voltage. So now we have to call an electrician and possibly the city to come fix our meter. It could be our meter, it could be something in our electrical, it could be our electrical box, who even knows. But now we're gonna have to call an electrician to come fix that. So although our AC works, we can't have our AC on because it's not kicking on for the outside. So I'm wondering if that is also the reason why our water heater isn't working properly, and why we're having so much issues with it is because we don't think it's pulling enough juice to kick on. Okay, so I have these nerd clusters, but they're the berry flavor. I've never had them, so I thought I would just try them. I got these for vacation, but then I only ate the one bag of normal nerd clusters. But these are the berry flavored. You can't even see what they look like. They're like blue and pink and purple. Maybe a little more berry flavored, but not bad. I went and hung out with Sylvia, and we got some mystery boxes. He got one too. So it's from the Country Wagon. We're gonna see what we got in our little mystery boxes. I'm gonna open it.
It all fell out.
Yeah. I just stuff fell out. Okay, well, that's what it looks like.
Scrunchy.
I think so. Yeah, it's scrunchy. Got scrunchy. It's green colored. Interesting. I got some earrings.
Holy crap, I'm blurry.
You will be blurry. And then I got a t-shirt.
I'm behind the box.
I think it says rodeo or something like that.
I'm behind the box.
It says rodeo sweetheart.
There goes mine. Yeah.
Stickers.
Stickers. Looks like a couple stickers.
Alright.
3 stickers.
Show the stickers.
And then, got a leather bracelet.
Okay, I got a leather bracelet.
And a shirt.
Got a shirt, and then there's one sticker, a horse sticker, got a cactus sticker, and then we got another sticker that says Team RIP Free Train Rides. You see a sticker?
You ready for this?
Yep. T-shirt. This black shirt. Oh.
There's the back.
Oh. Cool. That is cool. Cool beans. So that was what was in our mystery boxes. From the Country Wagon, which you could totally order. So I will leave her information down below like I always do. She is having 50% off sale. We do have a code. KMC whatever is our code for 10% off your order. It is getting pretty hot in my house, so we're gonna go hang out with Sylvia and kind of steal her AC for a bit. Yeah, I had her make us some mystery boxes, customized for our likings and like how she knows me and Chris. So we might open those tonight. Okay, I'm here. Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
So we're gonna go get ice cream. Okay, there's my ice cream. There's Sylvia's ice cream.
I got all the cookies.
I got a few and then ate a couple, so. Okay, we're at
Don't worry,
Applebee's.
they just want to cut it in half and then just...
I always do that.
No. I see it first without you cutting. This Chris's food. The judgment. Whoa, what is going on? Okay, there's my food. We kind of devoured that. And yeah,
mine's
she
like all
over
gone.
there's gone. I kind of forgot. Sorry, guys. But
Guys, so today we went and picked up a trailer, which I will show you here in a little bit. But it was a 6-hour drive. We were almost to like 2 states away, but we got a trailer for something that's coming up. Something else we're gonna get. So you have to stay tuned for that. But right now I'm headed to the farm for the 4th of July weekend, and Preston's with the dog and the kayaks and everything else in the pickup. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on right now. So we're headed to the farm, we're gonna unpack and yeah, have a good 4th of July weekend. I'll bring you along if I remember. I'm really bad at remembering, but I'll try. See ya. We make it to the farm? Did we make it to the farm? Did we make it to the farm? And he's gone. And pee on the pole. And it's supposed to storm. Look at the clouds. They don't look really creepy, but it's supposed to storm. I am currently sitting in my car waiting for Sylvia to get back to her shop, store, whatever you want to call it. Because I am gonna come hang out with her today for a little bit, because tonight we are supposed to be going to a fireworks show celebration thing, but it is currently raining, so I'm not sure if they're gonna end up having it. As of right now, it's still on, but Sylvia is gonna probably come to us, or come with us to that. So I'm just hanging out until I have to go get Chris, because it is raining today. If I didn't say that, I don't know. Anyways, so I'm just in my car kind of waiting, and I'm just watching YouTube on my phone just until she gets back, because she had to do a couple errands, but then she said she's supposed to be back. So yeah. Hey guys, so we're at the fireworks show today. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah. Let's hope I don't. Hope it
Yeah.
doesn't blow this way.
Yeah,
That would be bad.
yeah. But yeah, we're just hanging out.
of himself now. Aren't ya? Aren't ya? Aren't ya? We got it mowed! And sticks picked up.